Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And that club set and add-ons, the crazy sweater, didn't it just make you feel warm and cozy? And you're like, oh, those sweaters are just nice and perfect for fall. But gosh, I wish I had like a pumpkin latte, spice, coffee latte, cappuccino, espresso kind of thing. Guess what? I got you covered. Are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. This is Warm and Cozy stamp set. Look at how freakishly adorable it is. First of all, we have these words are separate, warm and cozy, birthday wishes, hello. So what are you going to do with these? You're going to say warm birthday wishes, warm hello wishes, warm and cozy birthday wishes, warm and cozy hello, warm wishes, cozy wishes. You're going to be making 1,000 different samples. I mean, 1,000 different versions, right? Because each word is separate. So you get to decide if they're side by side or one on top of the other. You could make a whole different like enchilada there, right? Then you're getting this fun, cute little pumpkin coffee. You're getting 3 awesome leaves. You're getting this one pumpkin coffee that has like some yummy, yummy whipped cream. You know, my favorite thing to do with whipped cream, right into that mouth. And I do it to the kids too. Best thing ever, let me tell you. Okay, awesome. Oh, and then, but wait, there's more. There's a cute little pumpkin mug, hello, with whipped cream on top. Now, you know the deal. You know the rules. Of course, there's a die set that matches. Now, the die set that matches not only is giving you the shadow dies, it's also giving you the inside dies, so you can use one or both. It's up to you. I know, it's like 2 for 1, right? Hello, it's awesome. Now, but wait, there's more. I am also releasing today a card front, and this one we're calling the diamond card front. And I know when I show you dies that look like this, you're like going, what's it say? I know, I get it. I totally get it. So this is what it looks like. It is a diamond card front, fits lovely on an A2. So here's an A2 card. So you can see it on an actual A2 card. But look at how gorgeous this is. Oh, and this one's actually a little full stand up. How cute is that? It's an easel card. You are a wonderful friend. Now, the cool thing about this, you guys, is these letters, these words, everything except the word A are connected to the frame. So you're not piecing everything together. It's only 2 pieces. I know, right? Totally fun. And you're getting the layering die as well with it. The fun thing about this also is the frame is stitched. I have lots more samples to show you, okay? Last but not least for today is by popular request. This one has been requested probably out of all the fold-its ever. It is probably in the top 10 of requests. And it took me a long time to do, I'll be honest with you, because I was trying to figure out the whole logistics of it. And I was like, well, how exactly, my brain's trying to work. It took me a while, I'll be honest. But here we go. It is the Praying Hands Fold-It. What? I know, right? Okay, so check this out. So you're getting the hands, and this one's glued for photography, but it says praying. Isn't that gorgeous? You also get that cute little die that is a bracelet. You could add a cute little cross because look at all the dies you're getting. You're getting way more than you would expect. So you're getting the hands. I made the fingernails short so it could also be male hands if you wanted to. I wanted it to be both, right? You get this fun bracelet. You get the little cross with the shadow. You're getting a little tiny die that is like for a ring if you wanted it to be a ring. And it also has a little heart and a little tiny cross on it. Little tiny. That's if you wanted to add a little ring right here on one of the fingers. Now, look at all those words you're getting. You are getting, I am praying for you and we are praying for you. You could also say praying for you. There's lots of options on this one. Or you could just say praying, okay? Let's look at the samples for those first so you can really get an idea. Here's a beautiful one. Michelle made this one with a rosary. Look how beautiful that is with beads. The cute little cross on there. She added little fingernail polish. Isn't that gorgeous? Open it up. Praying for you. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Let's look at this one. Oh, some more nail polish. I love it. Perfect for the 3D ink, you guys. Perfect for the 3D ink. Is that what Cheryl did? Yep, Cheryl did 3D ink. She added extra to the bracelet. I love it. She added the little crosses that I thought would be the ring. She added it for the bracelet. Love it. We are praying for you. Okay. Imagine someone that you know or love that needs prayers. Imagine sending this card to them. Just imagine for 3 seconds how this card would make them feel. It would just fill them with hope and joy and love. When it and just the hope that you're giving them when you're sending them a card that says, "We're praying for you," or "I'm praying for you. I want you to know I'm praying for you." Those words are extremely, extremely powerful, especially to someone that really, really needs it. So here's a little ring, got your little bracelet, praying, open it up. Now, don't forget, oh, hang on, here's another one. Praying for you, gorgeous, open it up. Now, you can also, don't forget, put it on an A2 size or a 5x7. Here it is, just very, very subtle. We got our cute little bracelet. We got our big cross, praying. And then it says, with sympathy. Although no words can really help to ease the loss you bear, just know that you are very close in every thought and prayer. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Very important. That's on our website as well. Now, oh, one more. This one is our Just Pray circle, right? And we're going to open this up. This is our gatefold, but wait for it. Dun, 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 dun. You guys. Isn't that stunning? Praying for you. It says, those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. Unseen, unheard, but always near. Still loved, still missed, and very dear. And that is doesn't say which stamp set. I need my stamp set, guys. It's on our website. Sorry. I don't know them all offhand. It's like having 2,000 children. You don't remember all their names. Okay. Let's move on. Boom, boom, doo. Ready? Look at this one. Diamond card front. Oh, another easel card. You are a wonderful friend. If you send that praying for you, somebody's going to send this back to you, right? Because you are a wonderful friend. Oh, but wait, my friends. This has our fun pumpkin. I call it pumpkin spice also. It's our warm and cozy set. Isn't that awesome? Here's a fun one on an A2 size card. Remember, you can do it either way. On an A2 size card, you are a wonderful friend. Totally different though, you guys. Look at this. Totally different just by changing the colors. Look at this. Just by changing the colors, totally 100% different. All you have to do is change the colors. It's incredible. Now, ooh, or you could do a card front shaker. Let's get those all moving around. Look at that, you guys. What? I know. You are a wonderful friend. Open that up and write your message. Okay, warm and cozy. Are you ready for this? You guys, the design team is insane. They are so awesome. Look how cute this one is. Adding a little gift card in there. I love this one. You, Cheryl, you're going to have to put more information in the gallery on this one because it's so gorgeous. She added a little tag over here. It's got like this little tiny pocket in here. So she's going to put more information on there, right, Cheryl? Okay, look at how cute this one is with our plaid background die. I love this. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is pumpkin season already. I'm telling you, I love summer, but pumpkin season, the fall, the spice, getting the sweaters on, the browns that you get to wear, the rust colors, warm birthday wishes, adding that cute little face on there. Isn't that adorable? Okay, you guys, this one knocked my socks off. Chris made this one. Oh, you guys. Look at that. Tri-dot background die in the back. Love it. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. We got one of our little doilies. Which doily is it? Doily 1. Doily 1 and the wood grain to stamp is on the bottom. Warm hello. Oh, I love it. Or you could have it say warm and cozy. Look at that. Or you could have it say warm birthday wishes. Look at this one. Look how fun. Make your own background paper. You guys, this is what you do. Get some of your tri-blends or whatever alcohol markers you use. I prefer the tri-blends. Stamp a whole bunch all over, just like this, all over a piece of paper. A whole bunch. Do a whole bunch. Then go watch TV and color. and just imagine the relaxation you're gonna feel. Just color away. If you make a little mistake, that's okay, because then what you're gonna do is take that big sheet that you stamped and stamped and colored. Now you're gonna take it to your die cut machine and die cut a whole bunch of different rectangles out. If you made a little mistake on that one over there, cut that one out and just use the rectangle right next to it or something. Absolutely stunning. And look at the background paper it makes. It is gorgeous. I'm telling you, oh, I think I want this to be a background paper. I just love that one so much. Okay, oh, I get so excited, you guys. Okay, here we go. Pumpkin Fold It. You guys, that Pumpkin Fold It has been flying off the shelves. If you have that fancy pumpkin, I want you to get it out again because it is perfect year round, but it's best at Halloween and fall time. So go get it. Add a cute little pumpkin mug to the front, and there you go. This is without the swirls. You can do it with or without the swirls on that pumpkin. Look at how cute this one is. Birthday wishes. I love it. Ooh, look at this one. This is on an A1 card. I love it. I love it. Warm and cozy. Birthday wishes. Last but certainly not least, look at this. Are you ready? Dun dun. This is the Lively Flip It. Open it up. Ooh, we got a hidden panel on here. Birthday wishes, warm and cozy birthday wishes. Absolutely love it, my friends. I told you, it's amazing. This release is like, okay, club members, you know the rules, you know the deal. You are getting 15 to 20% off everything on the website. Everything. Does that mean machines? Yes, it means machines. Does that mean adhesive? Yes, it means adhesive. Does that mean cardstock? Of course. Does that mean stamps and dies? Of course. You won't find one exclusion. You can't, because it doesn't exist. Every single item on our website, if you're a club member, is 15 to 20% off just for you. Just for you, just for being a club member. Now, how do I become a club member? Well, if you're not, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on the tab up above that says Join the Club. Just watch the video. We have 4 main clubs: the Stamp Club, the Die Hard Club, Die Hard's our most popular, the Card Kit Club, which is a box of goodness sent to you every month, and our newest club, which is our fastest growing club, the Fold It Club. If you liked shaped cards, you're gonna love the Fold It Club, let me tell you. But if you join any of those, and the Stamp Club starts at $13.99 a month, right? That's after shipping. Might have to add a little tax because if your state makes us do it, we do it. But $13.99, that gets you a stamp set sent to you automatically each month. Who doesn't want Stamp Happy Mail, right? But it also gets you a 15% discount off of, you got it, the whole website, the entire website. Every single little tiny thing, everything on the website. The big things, the little things, everything. You also earn club points that you can use for other purchases. You also get a gift certificate if you stay in a full year. On your anniversary gift certificate, you get a $15 gift certificate because we love you and we want to say thank you and say happy anniversary. Other clubs have different amounts. So the Card Kit Club gets a $25 gift certificate. Now, some people, and there are quite a few of you out there, are in all of our clubs. They get 3 shipments of Happy Mail every single month. Now, they are called Diamond Club members. They get a lot of other benefits, but the best benefit they get, 20% off the entire website every single day, every single order that they are a club member. Every order. Now, somebody emailed me once and said, oh, I just joined the club, so I only get the 15% off on one order, right? And I said, oh my goodness gracious, no. It's on every order. You guys, I designed a club that I would want to be in. Now, I can't be in this one because it's mine, but I'm kind of in it, right? And I always, every couple months, I give you freebies because you know what? If I was a subscriber, I would want some freebies once in a while, just as a little thank you for being a subscriber or a club member. So you know what? That's what I do. And I hope you love it just as much as I would if I was in the club. And I have so much fun designing for you. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Those of you that are club members, you know I love you. And that's why I try to spoil you. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.